Hi, it's Les here, and today I want to talk to my fellow marketers and entrepreneurs, especially beginners if you're new to email marketing. Now, are you ready to unlock the incredible potential of email marketing? Well, you're in the right place if that's the case, because today I want to tell you about my new digital email marketing masterclass that's completely free of charge. You pay nothing for my masterclass. Now, whether you're brand new to the world of email marketing or looking to brush up on your skills, my masterclass, which I've linked in the description below, has you covered. I go over the three main components you need to get right to craft compelling emails that get opened, read, and acted upon. More about that in a moment. Now, crafting effective emails involves much more than just typing out a message and hitting the send button. It's about understanding the psychology of your audience and knowing how to capture their attention, engage their interest, and inspire them to take action. Now, that's where the three crucial components of an email marketing, the subject line, the body text, and the call to action come into play. Now, the subject line is your email's first impression and is the make or break moment where your recipient decides whether to open or ignore your message. It needs to be compelling, it needs to be concise, and it needs to be relevant to the recipient's interests or pain points. A well-crafted subject line can pique curiosity, evoke emotion, or promise a solution to a problem that's enticing to the recipient and to make them click and open the email. Now, once your email is open, the body text is where you have the opportunity to deliver on the promise of your subject line. Now, this is your chance to engage your audience with valuable content, whether it's informative content, entertaining, or persuasive content. The body text should, however, be clear and concise, easy to read with a focus on delivering value to the reader. So whether you're sharing a story, offering advice, or showcasing your products or services, every word should serve a purpose and keep the reader engaged from start to finish. Finally, the call to action, CTA, is what prompts your audience to take the next step. Now, whether that's making a purchase, signing up for a webinar, or downloading a resource, it needs to be clear, it needs to be compelling, and easy to act on, guiding the reader towards the desired outcome. Now, a strong CTA can make all the difference between a reader who simply reads your emails and one who takes action. So it's essential to get your CTA right. Now, in my email digital marketing masterclass, I delve deep into each of these components, teaching you proven strategies and techniques for crafting subject lines that get noticed, writing body text that resonates with your audience, and creating CTAs that drive real results. From understanding the psychology of persuasion to mastering the art of copywriting, you'll learn everything that you need to know to build an email list that engages, nurtures, and converts leads into loyal customers, which is what we're looking for. But why should you even care about email marketing, especially if you're just starting out? Well, let me tell you, it's one of the most powerful tools in your marketing arsenal. Yeah. First and foremost, email marketing allows you to connect with your audience on a personal level. Unlike other forms of advertising that can feel impersonal, emails give you the opportunity to speak directly to your subscribers, nurturing relationships and building trust along the way. All right? Now, plus, on top of that, email marketing boasts an impressive return on investment. So for every dollar you invest in email marketing, studies show that you can expect an average return of about $42. Now, that's some serious bang for your buck. So, with that said, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to enroll in my email marketing masterclass. It's completely free of charge, so take the next step towards email marketing mastery today, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Thanks for watching. Ciao for now. Bye-bye.